Good morning, guys. It's Hunter here. Zach's here with us today too, but he lost most of his voice, so I'm gonna do most of the talking today. And so we're out here in California. Right now we're just north of Pasadena in Eaton Canyon. We have a lot of exciting things planned for today, adventures, little surprises and stuff like that. But first, Eaton Canyon, and then many other things planned throughout the day. It's gonna be a blast, so stay tuned and enjoy. So we got down with Eaton Canyon and it was a lot of fun. As you guys saw, there's a lot of cool spots, and even the waterfall was something we weren't really expecting to see. And it was really neat having to cross over rocks and everything. But here's the downfall. I fell and I got wet. Not only did I get wet, my camera got wet. And not only did my camera got wet, now it's not really working. So don't worry about that. That's just shooting range. Anyways, but now we're out here at Dodger Stadium with downtown in the background, with beaches off in the distance, kind of hazy but not too bad. And you know, it's one of our stops, and then hang out here for a little bit, get some drone shots, and then go from there.
I'm back to square one, and there's no turning back to what we were. No, we had ain't nothing I can do about that. I know I let you down.
Alright, hey guys, so we made it to the observatory, kind of. Behind this house, actually, is the observatory up on the mountain. We tried to go to where normal people go, but it was packed, so we're like, nah. So we went into this neighborhood and stuff. It's kind of cool. Really nice houses. Zach has his drone going and stuff. And, you know, just kind of exploring around. You get, from the drone footage, you guys will see that you got Hollywood sign and everything, observatory downtown. It's really nice, and just quick stop. Now next we're going to go over to downtown LA, find some stuff maybe, and then from there off to Venice.
How we had it back home, we had it all back then. How was I to know? Think I need you, think I can live without all of your flaws and all of your ups and downs. I really need you to work this out for me. Now I'm back at square one, and there's no turning back to what we were. No, we had ain't nothing I can do about that. I know I let you down.
Hey guys, so we made it to downtown, got through there. That was a lot of fun, saw really cool things, got to fly the drone around. Then from there we went up to Hollywood Hills, which was really neat, saw the Hollywood sign and everything. Got to drive through Beverly Hills, and now we're like within a couple blocks from the beach. So first thing, what we're doing first is we're stopping in a neighborhood, and we're going by a house of some YouTubers that give us our inspiration. Yes Theory are the guys that inspire us to do what we do. And so we thought it would be cool to go and check out their house. So we're doing that, and then it's off to the beach for the sunset. Have a good one, guys.
Let's
So it's the next day. We had an amazing time. Once we made it to Venice, we wanted to just enjoy the night and not focus too much on vlogging and stuff. Got to explore, go from the skate park out to the beach for sunset, then over to Santa Monica Pier where we went on a ton of rides, ate some great food, and just had a blast the whole entire night. Saw a lot of interesting things. We made it back here late, like we left at 6:30 in the morning, got back at 11:30 at night, and it was an amazing all-day adventure. First, I'd like to say thank you to my aunt and my uncle for letting us stay here while we explored California. And also lastly, I'd like to make a big shout out to my cousin Jared and his new wife Allison. And the wedding was amazing. And so one last thing about my camera, it's letting me take pictures. It's still giving me a couple error message, but we'll see. I have a warranty for it, so we'll see how that goes. But besides that, California was amazing, and this might be our last adventure before New York. Maybe we'll throw a couple in there before. We'll see. But till then, thank you guys.
Now I'm back at square one and there's no turning back.